We've all done it. That big, involuntary intake of air. Our mouths stretch wide. Our eyes might even water a little. Yawning. It's a universal human behavior. Yet it's also a bit of a mystery. Why do we yawn? What purpose does it serve? For centuries, people have pondered the reasons behind this intriguing behavior. Ancient Greek physicians believed yawning removed bad air from the lungs. Some thought it prepared the body for exertion. Others linked it to boredom or drowsiness. While these ideas hold some truth, the complete picture is more nuanced and fascinating. Modern science tells us that yawning is a complex physiological reflex. It involves multiple systems in our body, including the brain, lungs, and muscles. It's a behavior we share with many other animals, from chimpanzees to fish. Understanding why we yawn provides a glimpse into the intricate workings of our bodies and our connection to the natural world. So, let's embark on a journey to explore the science behind this everyday phenomenon. We'll uncover the physiological mechanisms, the social implications, and the evolutionary roots of yawning. Get ready to see this seemingly simple act in a whole new light. Picture this. You're sitting in a meeting, and suddenly, you feel the urge to yawn. What exactly is happening inside your body? It starts with a signal from your brain. This signal triggers a complex sequence of events. Your mouth opens wide, your diaphragm contracts, drawing in a large gulp of air. Your chest expands. You hold the yawn for a few seconds, and then exhale. This seemingly simple act involves a symphony of muscles working in perfect coordination. Muscles in your face, jaw, neck, and chest all play a role. Even your tiny ear muscles are involved, which explains why your ears might pop when you yawn. But it's not just about the muscles. Yawning also affects your blood flow and heart rate. It increases blood oxygen levels and stimulates brain activity. This explains why you might feel more alert after a good yawn. Understanding the physiological process of yawning is just the first step. The real mystery lies in unraveling why our bodies evolved to perform this curious action in the first place. One prevailing theory suggests that yawning helps to regulate brain temperature. Think of it as the brain's way of cooling down. Just like a computer needs a fan to prevent overheating, our brains require a mechanism to maintain an optimal temperature. When we yawn, the influx of cool air cools the blood vessels in our head and neck. This cooled blood then circulates to the brain, helping to dissipate excess heat. This theory is supported by studies showing that people tend to yawn more in warmer temperatures. Additionally, research has found that holding a cold compress to the forehead can reduce yawning. While the brain cooling hypothesis is widely accepted, it doesn't explain all aspects of yawning. For example, why is yawning contagious? And why do we yawn when we're tired or bored? To answer these questions, we need to delve into the social and behavioral aspects of this fascinating behavior. Have you ever noticed that seeing someone yawn often triggers a yawn of your own? This phenomenon, known as contagious yawning, is a testament to the social nature of this seemingly simple act. Scientists believe that contagious yawning is linked to empathy. When we see someone yawn, our brains activate the same neural pathways involved in understanding and sharing the emotions of others. This suggests that yawning might play a role in social bonding and communication. Studies have shown that people who are more empathetic are more susceptible to contagious yawning. Interestingly, children don't start exhibiting contagious yawning until around the age of 4 or 5, which coincides with the development of empathy and social skills. Contagious yawning is not limited to humans. It's also observed in other social animals, like chimpanzees and dogs. This further supports the idea that yawning serves a social function, fostering connection and understanding within groups. Yawning is not a uniquely human behavior. In fact, it's observed in a wide range of animals. from mammals and birds to reptiles and fish. This suggests that yawning is an ancient behavior with deep evolutionary roots. While the exact function of yawning may vary across species, it's often associated with social communication and group dynamics. For example, lions often yawn to signal dominance or aggression. In contrast, baboons use yawning as a sign of appeasement or submission. In some animal groups, yawning serves as a synchronization mechanism. For instance, a flock of birds might yawn simultaneously before taking flight, ensuring that everyone is alert and ready to go. These examples highlight the diverse roles that yawning plays in the animal kingdom. They underscore the importance of this seemingly mundane behavior in social interaction, communication, and survival.